Hi, thanks for joining. Today we're making hazelnut bark. In this easy, delicious recipe, you'll be needing hazelnut Florentine, chocolate, hazelnut to top it off. And also, this delicious recipe is excellent for any occasion, but especially for Valentine that's just around the corner. And at the end, we'll have the recipe and also packaging ideas. We're going to start by melting your chocolate. We're going to be using a double boiler method. Make sure that your pot is smaller than your chocolate bowl. This way you have no moisture seeping into the chocolate. And always remember to melt your chocolate at a very low temperature. I know sometimes we want this step to go quickly, but the slower you melt the chocolate, the better the chocolate is. It's for the chocolate, so. Okay. Okay, so our chocolate is melted, and what I have is a 9 by 11 cookie sheet. And what I've done is I put some parchment paper. It's just easy to release, and I've buttered it just so the parchment paper sticks very nicely. So now your chocolate is ready. You're gonna pour it onto your pan. Such an easy recipe. I love making this for any occasions. All the goodness. And just spread it. And if you're having guests over and you don't know what to make, this makes such an easy time, no time consuming at all. Just give it a bit of a shake to even it all out. There we go. Grab your Florentines and just break them up and kind of place them wherever you like. You can make this with anything, you can make it with white chocolate, you can make it with dark chocolate, you can make it with any nut. I have some coconut already as well. But this is such an easy, quick recipe. So now let's top the chocolate with some hazelnuts. And just put them anywhere you see some chocolate. Then we're going to drizzle the finishing touches. Now we're going to let this cool, and then we'll cut it up and show you how easy it is to cut and put together. Okay, now that your bark is ready, I'm going to drizzle, just make it a little bit more fancy. Just get some of your melted chocolate, and you can use a piping bag, you can use a bottle, but I'm just going to drizzle on top using my spatula, so you can do whatever you like. Beautiful. Now what I like to do is, if you want, you don't have to put, but you can put sea salt on top. And I'm going to put it on half. How's that? Okay, so we're going to wait 5 minutes for the chocolate to dry, and then we'll break it up and I'll show you how to package it. Okay, so your bark is ready to cut. We're going to remove the parchment paper. This makes it so easy to take it off the tray. Look at that. And just so nicely. So I'm just going to break off a piece. Look at that. And you can free cut it, or you can use your knife. Whatever you want to do. You may want to cut them in smaller pieces, larger pieces. I just kind of freestyle it this way. Isn't that beautiful? Makes such a nice presentation as well. Look at that crunch. You can hear that crunch? Perfect, all ready. And now I'm going to show you how to package it. You could use cellophane paper, you could use boxes, any size. You could buy them anywhere that you buy any of your baking supplies. But so easy. and it could be for any occasion. I've got some pink ribbon and some Valentine little tags, just perfect because Valentine's is just around the corner. So what I like to do is grab my cellophane paper, and then just grab, and we're gonna just fancy it up to put your ribbon just a bit in the center, and then when you go to tie it, just give it a little squeeze, and it's all ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide one of these Valentine tags there, and then we're gonna fold your ribbon. Now also with the box, you can place your bark, and if you like, you could break it up into smaller pieces. Makes for a nice surprise. So again, for any occasion, you can use any ribbon color choice you want. Okay, so we've got your boxed bark, we've got cellophane. I also have this really nice decorating stand ready for Valentine's. Got some coconut ones, sure to please any of your loved ones. So try it at home and see how you enjoy it. Time to try. Delicious. Hear that crunch? Definite must try at home.